In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change music of Instagram posts. Before we start, make sure the Instagram app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's available. Recent 2025 updates introduced limited music editing on some posts and reels, so having the latest version gives you the best chance of seeing features like Replace Track. Once updated, open Instagram so those features are loaded. Now check whether you can swap the audio on the post you want to fix. Go to your profile, open the post or reel with the music you want to change, and tap the sound icon in the bottom right. If you see Replace Track or Replace Audio, tap it. You can browse the music library, choose a new song, and then save your changes. Keep in mind, this option isn't available for everyone or every post yet, so don't worry if you don't see it. If the replace option doesn't appear, Instagram generally doesn't allow changing music after publishing. In that case, use the delete and repost method. First, save the original video to your phone's gallery so you don't lose your footage. Then open the post, tap the three dots, and choose delete. After that, recreate the post. Tap the plus icon, select your video, and add the music you want using the audio icon. Choose your track, adjust the clip to match your video, and share when you're ready. Here are a few tips to help you get it right before you publish. Add music early in the creation flow. Tap the plus, pick your media, then use the audio sticker to search or browse tracks. Use the sliders to trim the segment you want, typically anywhere from 5 to 90 seconds depending on the format. Preview the whole post to make sure the timing feels right so you don't have to redo it. If you're not ready, save a draft and return to edit later. If your original video contains camera audio and it clashes with the new track, mute it on the new upload. Go to controls and set the camera audio to 0 so the music is clean and clear. One important note, if the original post has strong engagement, deleting it will reset views and may hurt performance. Check your analytics before you decide to remove it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.